are going to love the 2019 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, power driver's seat, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.